Today we'll talk about how can you enable a sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to show Lat Lon, click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here show Lat Lon enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching.